Good evening. We continue to be blessed with unseasonably cool and dry weather as Tropical Cyclone Ruben and the high, now located east of New Zealand, continue to direct stable southeast trade winds flow across Fiji. Weather remains fine and settled for the most part, with just isolated brief showers about the maritime region and around the Rewa and Tailevu coast. There is no discernible cloud signature associated with ex-Tropical Cyclone Ruben on the satellite image this evening. However, as we will see in a minute, the wind circulation remains broad and dominates our region. The SPCZ to the northeast remains active. However, it appears now that the likelihood of any tropical disturbance developing into something more significant is now much lower than previously anticipated. The wind circulation around Tropical Cyclone Ruben continues to dominate the weather around the region, with the moderate southerly airflow on the western side of the low, keeping temperatures and humidity pleasant. This pattern is unlikely to change significantly before the end of the week. Fine, mild and sunny across the west tomorrow, with moderate southerly winds and fresh afternoon sea breezes. No sign of any rain at this time. Up north, we can expect more of the same as fine weather continues with a mix of sun and clouds. Moderate southerly winds will be fresh at times with the sea breeze. For the central and east, staying fine apart from the odd shower or two overnight and early in the morning to freshen up the garden. Southerly winds will be fresh at times during the day. No changes as southerly winds remain mostly moderate. However, they will be fresh with inshore sea breezes during the day about the main islands. Seas will be rough in the afternoon about the main islands, and southerly swells will be high over exposed southern waters. Our weather is looking great as we enjoy mostly sunny skies this week. Great for evening walks, tidying up the garden and getting the washing dry. Unfortunately for our Polynesian neighbors to the east, weather seems set to turn nasty later in the week, with Samoa, Cook Islands and Niue potentially at risk from a new tropical disturbance developing in the SPCZ. For Fiji, the risk of any new developments remain low for now, but the season is not over yet, so don't think we're done for this year. Enjoy the great weather and check in with us if you can via our Facebook page or at www.nadraki.com. From the NaDraki and My TV team, good evening.